Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning sa tanan. So, early no, meet kayo. Early mi karon kay matumi sa Mamzar Beach with my cousins. So, sayo mi karon kay para dili pa siya init. So, alam mo, sayo lang mi para at least safe food mi, di na mi madugay. So, padulong na mi karon sa Mamzar Beach. So, see ya. Unya, kita kits.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, nanami karon nagsakay nami sa among friend ni namo tanan and going nami sa Mamzar Beach. Beach. So nara ko makawan guys. So guys,
hi guys,
si Celine,
I am here again.
Si Lili na ko makita.
si Budoy, nagtago siya kay na hide and seek. Si Jingjing and our friend, amo na siyang gikuan guys for hire. Char lang. Because of Jeng. And so much for that. We are excited to go there.
Sikta mo na siya.
And yeah, see you there later. Bye.
Hindi ko ganan inyo. Maybe ka na makulong ko.
A few minutes later.
Ay, gusto na ko ba ito dito ka na isa.
Wow!
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Beach. Pero bisag public siya, lahi na po. Lahi ang dating. So let's watch. Sa yung dating guys. Nagawas?
Eventually.
Like, isay lang.
Nag-video ko guys. Nanami na ni karon sa Mamzar Beach o nice kaysa nga beach. Nice kaysa nga beach, public beach. O Dala mi sulod sa Mamzar Beach nga private kay alas 8 pa mag-open nya, ma-close na nya. I mean, ikita kayo nya mga alas 8. So nanami sa public. Tulang ilang public nga beach is okay na, nice na kayo. O, diba?
One debt to society later.
Ay, nice siya so far. Nice ilang beach guys, oh. Nakagan. How will you feel? Nice ilang beach din guys. Mura kag nasa international level. So the public ano na public space, public beach nila. I'm outside, spending my life, loving deeper in love with you. Tell me what you love me to. Bisang public siya, mula rin po siyang Boracay. Tanawan ninyo ang view. Mula siyang Boracay guys. Ang nakalahi lang is nasa mga tubangan is mga building.
So na lang kapag makwanta na ito.
Diba?
Malibot. Tanawa na nga ligot at na purong-purong. Uy, kaligon na!
So building gid siya guys, pero nice kasi kay puti tanan ug nice ang dagat, nice po ang kuan.
Yay! I'm done. Jigli patanaw mo gini amigo. Sorry ah.
So that's it no.
Okay.
Huwag ka muna kasama-sama dali nga part.
Book now? Okay.
15 minutes later.
So we're back again guys, na namidani sa nangaligo na sila. So ako na lang wala naligo, api si Jingjing, iyang friend. So far nice ang beach. May problema Jing. So
Kailangan sila kuya. Ulo, pwede dinuwa ang duwa. Ulo lang yan natin.
ayoy kay madlok kayo sa lisay kuan. Muna sila guys, muna sila mga kauban yung mga traitor na. Ayoy. Hindi ka po maklado sa ilalom mga good.
Mana yung specialty nasa water. Loob kayo.
Sige pagkalala, pagkanapak wala. Ala wala na, na-off na. Patay tanan. Anas la guys, oh mga traitor na sila.
Siya sa dagat ba?
Ay madlok kung paano bulubulog.
Uy, mama na. Mama na.
Ayoy ginoo.
Ami babe. Lagi. Lagi bayaran.
Mapalayo ko guys kay murag ilang bus on ako ko.
Mama na siya. Babalik na siya. Alam mo sa bakali dire.
Kasi pagkanapak guba na.
Okay ra wala. Okay na siya basta okay ra wala yon. Oh, dapat bili casing.
Wala mo lagi siya.
Mo na siya. I mean dito ka to ka Jomer ko lang kuan waterproof nga kuan casing. Kanaya diretso na raban na.
Pagkanapak wala na ni pula na guba na.
Hindi wala na casing Daisy kabalo ba mo naman ang research. Mura gulat ng casing.
Wala naman siya casing lagi.
Pero okay na siya paumlok man ka.
Madlok ko.
Mamgid na, mo gid ni iyang kuan GoPro nalimot ko. Mo ni pinaka-purpose sa GoPro, dili na sa picture lang. Ala oo, amlit. Di ka ta sa ilalom na, sa ilalom.
Kuya guys, ako di ko nabi ako sa i-search guys kung sure gibagid nga kuan ni kay basi maguba na akong bala mo dai. Kung makabulag mo din. Okay guys, dahil ta guys kay basi madaot atong mga ako sa research kung pwede ba.